Hey guys, this is Tori Cushing with AuthorityLabs, and today I'm just going to walk you through how to go through the domain page. And this is just going to be a part 1 overview of all the key points in the domain page. So once I'm in the domain page, I have several different options. Obviously, the first thing that I look at are the numbers. These numbers represent each of the keywords, which are on the left-hand side. So for the keyword best computer, this number shows the ranking in Google. So that means that when I search for best computer, a link from Amazon ranks number 8 on the first page of Google. And when you hover over the number, you can actually see the exact URL that is ranking when in that search for that keyword in Google. For this page, it's going to be Amazon.com, bestsellers, computer books, so on and so forth. And you can see that URL just when I roll over the actual number, and you can click on it to go through to that actual URL. Okay, so another really cool aspect of the domain overview page is the since added option. Now this is just a drop down up here in the left hand corner, and it says plus or minus since and then a certain amount of time. Now what that's saying basically is that these keyword rankings are showing for August 3rd, 2013, and we can change that date by clicking on the calendar. You have this since then option, which is actually shown on our overview page with these little tiny numbers next to the ranking numbers. So that'll either be a plus or a minus, showing how the ranking has changed over that period of time. If we're looking at August 3rd and we see the numbers since a week ago, that means that the ranking for Google for the word best computer has gone up one ranking in a week. Now if we look at, let's say, since yesterday, for the same keyword, best computer, the ranking has stayed the same because there hasn't been a change since yesterday, but in the past week, the ranking of best computer has gone up 1. So that means that it went from a ranking of 9 to a ranking of 8. Which is good, that's why it was in green. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to be going over in this domain page overview part 1 is to click through to see the ranking history of the keywords. And this is a really cool option because if you select one of your keywords and actually click on it, you get taken through to this ranking history. It shows the performance of this keyword in 3 different search engines over all the time that you've been tracking this keyword, which is super helpful if you want to actually track a specific keyword in more detail. So I added this keyword back in June on the 22nd, and you can see the performance of this keyword every day since I've added that keyword. You can see it down here in a more spreadsheet viewable way and see the Google rankings, the Yahoo rankings, and the Bing rankings. You can also see the type. It says either an image, a rich snippet, or a video result. So to go back into here, you can actually view what the performance is on each day and how that keyword was doing. So that's just a really cool option if you want to go into your keyword into more detail and see exactly what it's been doing the entire time you've been tracking it. Okay guys, that's it for part 1 of the domain page overview. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks!